In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the day-to-day transactions in Sage. As you can see in this transaction, it says on 3rd January, purchase furniture by giving cash and the amount is 10,000. Now there are two types of activities. One is trading activity and one is non-trading activity. Trading activities, as the name suggests, it is directly involved in the core business transactions. So for example, you are buying the stock, you're paying for the stock, you are selling the stock. That are all trading activities. But all the side activities, however, will be non-trading activities like purchasing a furniture, giving the rent, security deposit, paint and renovation expenses for shop. So these are all non-trading activities. Just remember that trading activities will be done from proper modules. That means we have a module for customers, vendors, inventory, and so on and so forth. But for non-trading activities, most of them will be either dealt in the banking section where we pay directly for the goods or any kind of services, or we will simply book a journal entry, and that option will be found either in the list. From here you can access the journal entry option, or from the banking area we have the journal entry option right here. So this transaction is purchase furniture by giving cash. It is a non-trading activity because our main business is buying and selling the car parts. So let's enter a journal entry for it. Let's click on journal entry, click on new journal entry. And from here, just mention the date. The date is 3rd of January. Reference number, you can mention any reference number, for example, 1001. And now we will find the furniture. Just scroll down to find the fixed asset. You can also use the find feature for it. Let me just write here furniture. No, we don't have it. As you can see, if I write machinery here and click OK, it's able to search for it. So that means when I write furniture, it's not there. Let me just create one. So just select a suitable area and suitable code which is not already in use. So the account ID I'll use is, let's say 1900. So click new and just choose 1900 here. And the description is furniture. The account type will be fixed asset. You can just directly write here as well and it will automatically search it. Click on save and close out of here. Now we can simply search for it. We can write furniture. We can use the find function as well. Write furniture here. Click OK and choose it. Just copy and paste this description right here and paste it here. The amount is 10,000. So let's write 10,000 here. Just be careful with the zeros and press tab to go on the second line. And it is paid by cash. So let's select cash here. Cash is right at the top. You can paste the same memo here as well and put it on the credit side like so. And this is the complete entry where it says purchase furniture by giving cash. So since by purchasing the furniture, asset is increasing, so it's debit, and other asset, which is cash, is decreasing, so it's credit. Let's save it. Now it says that the transaction is not in the current period. If you want to save it, do you want to continue? Click yes. And that's how you do it. Now to set a correct period, you need to go to the main area. And from here, you will find this period 1 or system date 1 and 2. So click on period and you can choose the period. Right now it's set to February. Let's change it to January and click OK so that it won't show this message over and over again. So just remember, the particular month you're working on, you have to change the relevant period from here. Click OK. And that's how you do it. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.